Now, once our step number 2 is done, and I hope you all are done with step number 2, now it is the time to move ahead and talk about how to calculate our discount. So, as you are able to see, currently in the hands-on activity, we are on step number 3, and on step number 3, we will be performing two operations. First, use a formula to calculate your discount saving, and use a formula to calculate your total item cost after discount. That means if I'm purchasing something, so if a discount is given to me, so how much percent of discount is given to me, and after the discount have been deducted, the product will cost how much. So let's see exactly how it will be done. So this is amount. Already it is formatted to percentage, so amount will be very simple. It is only equal to sign over here. I will be just increasing the size of the sheet so that you are able to see amount. It will be equal to C2. So that is 2700 is selected, then multiplication. We have already seen that asterisk is called as multiplication over here, and then D2. So when I multiply it, you will be able to see that I get a discount of total 135 rupees, and then via autofill I will be able to get discount of all those particular numbers. Now see, from 10 if I move it to 20, you are able to see over here that the cost automatically changes. From 5, 10, you will be able to see that the cost is automatically changing. So yes, it is perfect. From 60, now if I go to 25%, you will be able to see that this much amount of concessions I will be giving. Now, total after cost. Now, the first part is done. Discount. One more time, I'll be telling you exactly how to calculate the discount. Discount is nothing but amount multiplied by total percentage of rupees that discount have been given to us. So, it will be a simple formula. First type equal to, select your total cost, that is nothing but C2. So as soon as I select C2, a dotted border appears across the cell. That means the cell has been selected. Then I will be going for multiplication. This is the symbol for multiplication, a sign for multiplication, and then D2. So now C2 multiplied by D2. You are able to see over here, automatically it has been formatted and rupees sign will be coming over here. If your rupees sign is not coming, you have to go in format. Then you have to go in numbers, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see custom currency. So from here, you will be able to see a dollar sign. So this way, I have just auto-filled it, and I am able to get a total discount. Now, after calculating the total discount, it's time to move to the second step as per the activity. Use a formula to calculate your total item cost after the discount. So if the vendor has given me certain amount of money as a discount, so after giving discount, what is the total amount that I have to pay? So again, total after discount, it will be equal to, after pressing equal to, select first the cost. So the cost is selected, that is nothing but C2, then minus the amount. So this much, you will be able to see 2565. Initially the cost was 2700. Now after deducting rupees 135, I will be able to get a cost like this, and autofill automatically comes. So just press the right click and you are ready with the third part of the activity, where we have calculated the amount. That means depending upon the percentage of discount that the vendor is giving me, the amount will be calculated, and then after the discount has been given to me, what amount I have to pay.